Judges and Prosecutors Association, YARSAV, Chairman Murat Arslan, who was recently removed from his duty as reporter in the Constitutional Court, said on Monday the top court has also surrendered to the one-man rule in the bureaucracy that doesn't tolerate any opposition. Speaking to the press in front of the Constitutional Court in Ankara along with members of the Union of Judges and Prosecutors for Democracy and Freedom and the Union of Judges, Arslan said he was informed by the court's Secretary General that he had been relieved of his post which he had held for the past 10 years. When he had queried on the reason for his removal, the Secretary General told Arslan it was the decision of President Zühtü Arslan and that Arslan would return to his post in the Court of Accounts. Arslan was appointed as a reporter in the Constitutional Court in 2005 and was elected in 2011 as the chairman of YARSAV, which is known for its harsh criticism of the Justice and Development Party, AK Party, government and President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan. Identifying YARSAV as an institution working hard for an independent and impartial judiciary, Arslan said they have faced problems with members of the government and the judiciary while trying to defend their principles. According to Arslan, the one-man rule in all parts of the state bureaucracy has also affected the top court, which he never expected would lose its independence. Underlining that he had worked with 3 different constitutional court presidents in the last decade as a reporter, Arslan said he never heard of a reporter who had been relieved in this manner. The Constitutional Court acts as the top court for individual applications, especially for issues related to human rights and freedoms, and we expected it to be more liberal about opposing voices within the court, Arslan said during the press conference. Former Constitutional Court President Hasim KL, at a press meeting in February before leaving his post, voiced strong criticism of the government's intervention in the judiciary, noting that judicial independence has been severely damaged. KL revealed he had come under serious political pressure and criticism during his term, as was also the case with past governments. But let me say I never lost heart in the face of those attacks and have continued to walk the path I consider right, he had added. In an obvious reference to Erdoğan and some leading AK party officials, KL had stated he was greatly offended by politicians who had accused him and the Constitutional Court of being pro-military coup because of some of the court's verdicts that the government did not like. Current court President Zühtü Arslan was elected with the support of 11 of the 17 members of the Constitutional Court in January. He was first appointed to the top court by former President Abdullah Gül in 2012.